So, our goals for today. We're going to define what anger is. We're going to also identify the triggers to our own anger as well as our kids. And we're going to talk about how we push each other's buttons. Understanding also that the behavior we get is the behavior that we've modeled. We're going to learn some methods to tame our anger, and that untamed anger and other unsafe behaviors,
they intersect when, especially in adolescence and early adulthood. That's one of the reasons that learning for a family to manage conflict and manage anger is so important, because unexpressed anger can come out in a lot of really negative behaviors.
And those negative behaviors are starting with our kids being younger and younger. It's now pre-adolescent where we start seeing these unsafe behaviors occurring.
So if you look in a dictionary and look up anger, you're probably going to get about 100 synonyms. And it reminds me of the story about the Inuit words for snow, that in the English language we have one word and that the Inuits have many, many words. And this to me says that anger is such an incredible part of our day-to-day experience, and that we're always in some level of anger somewhere, and that there are so many nuances to being angry.
I think especially with all the stress that everyone feels in their daily lives.
And anger can be things from just being annoyed, being frustrated, blowing up, using humor as a way to actually cover up our anger. There are, being infuriated, so that anger has a lot of different levels, if you will, from something being a little more innocuous to the actual outburst.
And also there are things like being passive aggressive. That's a form of anger.
Absolutely.